and in looking at the data that would support whatever programs, projects, and activities that you would like to implement in your respective schools. Okay? Kapag ang data mo hindi maayos, hindi rin maganda yung result ng mga interventions or enhancements mo. So, okay, I've said this already. Putting premium, principal empowerment. And of course, yung leadership, accountability. Di ba sabi ni Spider-Man?
Great power.
With great power comes great responsibility. So yun. So yung mga sabi pala ng MOEs tapos masaya sila, ibig sabihin nun, mababaw yung pagtingin nila sa school-based management. Yung leadership nila. So superficial. Okay? Because pag sinabi mong ikaw ang SBM coordinator as school head, ang laking accountability nun. Diba? Gone are those days when you have your TWG to work on those papers. Gone are those days when you are just sitting down in your office and let other people do your roles and responsibilities. Talagang totoo talaga yan. It's leadership accountability.
Kasi hindi ko gagawa sa akin. Gusto maging bagyero ako.
Pinag-revise policy.
Oo naman ako ng oo, hindi ka masusundin.
Kasi kung titignan naman natin, yung na pwede cross-cutting.
Hindi pa naman natin ang initial inspection.
When we go to the schools,
Tawag ang paper mga dapat dapat lahat dapat lang mas
one folder, one accomplishment would be used for the
ay hindi kahit ay hindi sige
tingnan
okay
natin
pero
yung
dapat
nilalaman,
pangako
mamaya tingnan
nila
natin yung nilalaman
face
ng
to pa
bawat
naman
dimension, no? Okay.
sure ko lang
At
dapat
kahit
sa
na natin
face to
doon,
tapos
kung ano lang yung mga importante na tingnan ninyo. Ang pinaka-importante kasi yung sa curriculum.
hindi regardless ma'am kasi sa program ng
Cross-cutting kasi yung curriculum set.
So,
Cross-cutting siya sa lahat ng pagka sinasabi ko
kung kayo
lang
magkakaroon hindi naman kailangan. Kasi yung mga yun, they are just
Saan tayo magbabla? Saan ka mag-upload sa Lunes?
Needed in the future, but not with your own, with your maybe SDS information. May mga
Ikaw araw kay Sir Gary.
iba yung
Pag-meeting na ako.
sa ibang pag-aaral. Pero kung tayo natin hanapin, yung wala doon sa assessment, no, sa assessment
Ocho pa man, Tom.
ganun lang yung
Hindi pa siya yun.
tip ko doon. Simplihan natin. Basta ang tingnan natin, ano yung nag-i-improve at ano yung hindi para yung bigyan natin ng technical assistance. Okay? Right. Kaya nga ibigay natin sa principal yung konsensya. Kaya doon? Alright, ibigay natin sa mga principals yung konsensya. Ang mahalaga ay maintindihan kung ano yung meaning na gusto ipabatid ng DO7. Bakit kaya parang napakagaan na yun?
Pagpalitan na to
Pero sa
ma'am
mga principal na talaga nag-work, hindi siya madali. Kasi ang kausap mo dito, yung konsensya mo. Okay. Alright. Sa key stakeholders involved in the SPM system, of course, we have the internal and external stakeholders. Alright. Siyempre, sabi natin sa DepEd, we cannot do it alone. Diba? We need the help of our internal and external stakeholders. That's why, with DepEd Order 26, talagang na-encapsulate ito. No? With the School Governance Council. It has a wide latitude of providing support to the school head. Kaya, huwag natin awayin yung School Governance Council. Kailangan yung relationship natin. Professional relationship is healthy. so that all of those programs, projects, and activities that we want to fulfill
Kasi ma'am eh.
would come into reality. Oh, ganun lang naman. Okay. So, alam na natin yan. Self-assessment checklist, a process for continuous improvement, and guidelines for providing technical assistance. So these components help schools evaluate their performance and identify areas for improvement. So tayo, mga school, kayo lang nakikinig sa amin eh. No? As you can see, we did not go to schools anymore. Kami sa RO. Ang kausap na lang namin sa San Jose del Monte, si Ma'am Pai, Don. And sometimes Ma'am Ruby din. Nawagan namin. So,
Ang sab lang ako
Ah.
sa Ma'am Ruby.
it is understood na na-consolidate na nila. So, yung mga sinabi ninyo, nakadepende lang yun. We do not question. We do not question because we respect, sabi ko nga, we respect the self-assessment, the results of the self-assessment. We respect the context of our schools in San Jose del Monte. Ganun lang yun, no? And we do not compare. Compare is
Number ng tawagan.
hindi pwede. Kasi iba-iba yung konteksto ng ating mga eskwelahan. Alright, what else? Okay, main components of the SPM framework. Okay, nakita na natin kanina ito. Dati apat, yung doon sa sa gitna, we have the 6 dimensions. And of course, the core is the learners. That they need to imbibe with values of maka-Diyos, maka-tao, makakalikasan at makabansa. Leadership, curriculum and teaching, learning environment, human resource and team development, finance, resource management and mobilization, and governance and accountability. Ito yung mga dimensions na kasama para sa school-based management in order for us to realize the things with the important matter with our learners. And of course, we can only do this with the help of our internal and external stakeholders. Alright. Ang nabago dito, walang nabago sa assess, plan, act. Di ba? Wala. Alright. But, it is, okay, this is the process of continuous improvement. In order for us to continuously improve, we need to have this mindset of self-reflection. Okay? So, you assess, environmental scanning. Ano ba nga ba ang problema ko sa school? Yan. And then, yung plan, self-management. Ano ang gagawin ko dito sa mga data na to? Alright. If the data says we have high numbers of non-numerates and non-literates, so you have to plan for intervention. Or kung marami nang magagaling, lahat na ng mga bata ay magagaling ng bumasa, enhancement na tayo. Mag-level up na tayo sa the way we construct our questions para maging PISA, approve siya. Kasi ang PISA hindi sa una-una na dapat